Oh, hello there. I didn't know you were here. Today I'm going to make something so delicious because I'm so hungry. My friend Eddie made it for me at his pizza place. A crustless pizza. And he called it the Mammanaria. Isn't that nice of him? He named it after me because he knows how much I love pizza. Come here, let me show you how easy it is. Maybe you can make this for your holiday weekend or for breakfast or lunch. Mammanaria. Come on up, it's so easy. It's so easy, it's so easy. These are the ingredients that I chose. Eddie let me choose my ingredients out of everything he has, but I picked my favorite, which is pizza sauce, of course, ground beef, sausage, mushrooms, onions, black olives, mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, which I like. And then when he made it, he put oregano and he snuck some hot sauce in there. So I'm going to do it just like he made it. We'll start with this traditional pizza sauce. Now, Eddie has them all in bins because he has a professional pizza place. Oh, I can't open that. You know what I got in my pocket? Da, 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 da. See? I'm just going to pour a little bit in there. I watched Eddie do this, but he's a professional. He's a master. No crust, you see that, right? Some ground beef, which I love a lot. Not too much. A little more sauce. Both hands are shaking like they're both doing something. Sausage crumbles. Now this is all cooked already. Whoa. Need a deeper dish, Mom. Mushrooms, which I chose. Oh boy. Can I get it? Oh, that was easy. See, I had practice. It was scared because this was here. Mushrooms. Now again, Eddie has these all out professionally, but I'm not a pro. I'm just an eater. Mushrooms, which I love. And you could make your... There's my kasuri, thank you. My kasuri oven, air fryer, rotisserie baking element over here. I'll show you that in a minute. It doesn't compare to Eddie's oven, but it's going to be good for this. And what was I saying? You could make your crustless pizza any way you like. I put some onions, however you like it. This is your crustless pizza. Never thought I'd be eating pizza with a fork. Black olives, because I chose this. This is what I chose. Yeah. Whatever you like. I would have put anchovies too, I think. Mozzarella. Lots of mozza, if you like. Oh. Little oregano. Pepperoni. Oh, it smells delicious now with that pizza sauce and onions and oregano. Really set it off. How am I doing, Eddie? Eddie's busy today. 4th of July weekend. Busy last night. Busy today. But he gets time off to enjoy himself. Sure does. He has a great family and crew. His wife Alicia and daughter Emily. Or Alicia. I'm sorry. I don't want to say it wrong and Kathy smacked me in the head. And Emily likes watching, I bet. She must like her dad being a pizza guy. That's it. Oh, but Eddie snuck in some hot sauce on the side. He said I won't know nothing about it, but I saw it. Hey, make it how you like it, right? Yeah, squeeze bottle. He stuck it in there, hidden. Okay, my kasuri over here is heated to 450 degrees. Can you see? You can back up and get another from a different angle or what? Mamma mia, Papa Pia, gonna make a crustless Mammanaria. Eddie's Pizzeria. Going in. This even says pizza on the window here. This is a Kasori. Oh, it smells so good. I just got a whiff of that hot sauce too. Now Eddie put his in for 5 minutes because I'm sure his oven must be probably 800 degrees. But we're at 450. I'm just going to wait till the cheese melts nicely and starts bubbling. You know I'm hungry, don't you? And we have more pans that you could make your own too, huh? Mm-hmm. You could make a veggie style. Mm-hmm. It's a little more healthier because there's no crust. Okay? I wanted to say low carb. She told me not to because of all the meat, right?
I said say low carb.
Oh, low carb. Oh, it's no carb I wanted to say. Yeah. Well, it's going to be a good pizza. I can't thank Eddie enough. I can't. All right. I'll show you when it's done. I'm going to taste it just like Eddie did. All right. I'll show you that video. Watch. Watch Eddie tasting it.
Well, this is the finished product. The Mammanaria Special. The Crustless Pizza. Let's dig in. Can you zoom in on that? Oh man, I can't wait. I can't wait. There's one part of this I don't want to get. Wonder why. And this is a little bit healthier. I can get the cheese in. This is it, Rick. Oh my gosh. Definitely gonna make me go back in for some more. Them mushrooms. Very good. Very good. I think we have a winner. The Rick Mammanaria Special. Well, that's about all I have to say. Rick, thank you. I really appreciate all your videos. They're really entertaining. And until next time, see you later.
Look at the lake. Woo, he's so lucky. I just remembered my new Fitbit watch has a timer on it. I'm gonna set it for maybe 8 minutes, right? Because even though I look at the clock when I put it in, I never remember what time it was. Okay, is that 8 minutes or 8 o'clock? Or 8 hours? 8 minutes, 0 seconds, okay. And how do you do it? 8 minutes. Oh, it's counting down. 7:58, 57. Okay, cool, isn't it? That's the Fitbit Sense. See it counting down? Tenths of a second. There it goes. All right, now it's just seconds. But if you tap on it, you get tenths of a second. That's so cool. All right, can't wait. I'm about to flip my lid. Oh, it looks pretty good in there. Hope it comes out as good as Eddie's. Well, it has the same ingredients, but it's the first time I ever made it. I'm going to eat outside like Eddie did. But he had a lot better background than me. You'll see. Oh, you saw it already. You going to make one? So easy. Look, 15 seconds till the alarm goes off. Let's see what it sounds like. See if it'll wake me up. Can you wait that long? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Oh. So it's time's up, but it's just vibrating. Can you hear it vibrate? That wouldn't wake me up. Okay, thank you. Maybe you could set it to be audible too. Let's look in there. Oh, I could have put more toppings in. Looks like it settled down a little bit, but it's gonna be good, right? There's enough in there. Help me, help me.
It's gonna be good.
See what it looks like. Let me put my pizza lid on. Does anybody wear these anymore? Except me. Think it's done? Pepperoni's getting crunchy like we like it.
Right, I gotta move the light.
Sizzling. Okay. We gotta adjust the studio around a little bit.
Yeah.
This is not a real pizzeria. I say so, yeah. Ready?
Okay.
Ready, Eddie?
I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready, ready, I'm ready.
Careful, this is gonna be hot. Oh, thumbnail. The first ever in my kitchen, Eddie's Mammanaria special crustless pizza. Put it down. Not in the face! Not in the face! Oh! I'm gonna eat outside like Eddie did, although I don't have a background as nice as Eddie has. Now here's you. Thank you. Okay. I'm gonna make yours now, or you want to let me eat mine first?
Go ahead and eat yours.
You're not sure what you want on yours. What do you want? Tuna? Lettuce?
I'll have some
Let
mushrooms.
me put my red, white, and blue hat on. Oh, mushrooms. That's my eating hat. That's my cooking hat. Going outside. See you out there. Oh boy, oh boy. Crustless pizza. Oh, come on. Mmm. It smells so good. Thanks for making this for me. I was talking to myself. No, thanks for thinking this up for me. Crustless Mammanaria special. Don't matter how you pronounce it, as long as you get it there. I forget where the hot sauce is. Isn't that going to be nice? You might be here with that little... Okay, I'm going to taste it just like Eddie. You saw him. Where was the hot sauce? It's going to be a surprise. What?
Put it on your shirt.
This was yours.
I know. That's why I'm saying.
Wowie! All right. How's my hair now?
Just go like this one. It's a little bit curled up there
I need a haircut.
on the top. Can I fix it for you? There, that's good. You look good.
All right, this is how Eddie did it. He went, okay, Rick, this is for you. The Mammanaria special. Crustless. Oh, let me get some meat in there. Pepperoni, olives, onions all in one bite. Mushroom. Crustless pizza. Mmm. Crunchy pepperoni. Mmm. Mm-hmm. So good. Mmm. Mmm. And it's definitely going to fill me up, I can tell. You know when you eat a big slice with everything on it and you save the crust because you're getting full, we just want the good stuff sometimes. Mmm. Okay, make this for yourself and your family. I could use this pie tin over again because I didn't destroy it. Pie tin or a cheesecake pan or something or whatever you have around like this. Or a cake pan, right? Put your good stuff in there, whatever you like. Make it just like this if you like because it's so good. I'm so glad that I made this. That you made it for me. Tomorrow's the hot dog eating contest. I think it's on ESPN about 12 or 1 o'clock, maybe. Remember that? Usually on 4th of July. Tomorrow's 4th of July. Is it raining? Yeah, it's raining. Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah, that's what's so great to sit here in the rain. Well, Eddie got a big lake behind him. You saw that. Living the life. Okay. More. Mmm. Mmm. They heard about it too. It's just a pizza. It's not that hot. I get the hot spot now. Okay. Okay, that was fun and delicious. Thanks again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a nice holiday weekend. Have a nice week. Try this. See ya. Did I mess? Bye. Thanks again. Oh man, crunchy pepperoni. Look at this.